Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. It is a Wednesday today, but we are going with Oliver's mum and brother to like a nearby, well, it's semi-near. It's kind of like a, what would you call Kent Life?
An interactive farm?
Yeah, it's like an interactive farm, and when I was at school we had like days out there, so it's kind of like, it's a family place.
And it's used for events? Like
yeah, and we went to fireworks there like a couple of years ago. There's like World War II stuff going on, but it's mostly a farm nowadays, I think. So yeah, and there's like a feed the lamb experience at the moment. So that's what we're doing today, and I thought I'm definitely going to bring the vlogging camera along to capture this. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're going to bring you along.